Hey, thanks for checking out Sandy Sun Travel. So we're about a week away from our cruise on Margaritaville at Sea. And while we were getting ready and starting to kind of put some stuff in our luggage or whatnot, it made us realize we've got to order a couple of things. And so while we're at it, we thought we'd share some of these, what we consider must-have items that we use on nearly every cruise. Some of them are going to help you on your travel. Most of them are going to help you on the ship. So let's check it out. All right, so let's jump into these things. So the first thing we're going to talk about is a Padfolio, all right? And the Padfolio is one of those things that really, for those planners out there, for those detail people out there, for folks like me that need to have everything organized, this is a must-have. I know some people use a notebook, some people do a variety of things, but for me, I love having a Padfolio, as I showed you a second ago. We already got stuff in here for our cruise. It's got a folder or, whatever, a slot, and then you got a place to keep notes. And this has helped us out so many times over the years. We're on a cruise, and we were supposed to have an excursion, and they didn't have the tickets in our room, and went down to guest services, and there was some debate. It was fine. Everything was cordial. But this allowed me to be cordial because I had all of my ducks in a row. Went back to the cabin, got the Padfolio, went back, I'd printed out all of my stuff. We recommend that you print out your cruise contract. You print out a copy of the email that you got when you maybe bought an excursion. Print out your hotel reservation, print out your just print everything out. Throw it in there. Easy to get to, easy to use. So we really recommend it.
Next, we have luggage tags. Again, we print these out, which you should print yours out for getting on the boat. And then we put them in these little plastic holders. And the reason being is they don't get wet if it's raining. They don't rip off if somebody's a little extra rough with your luggage. It just protects them. It's easy. We print them off at home the night before. And then we put, because we always go a day early and stay at a hotel. And then the night before the cruise, we put them on our luggage.
All right, so the next thing is a wine bottle protector or a rum bottle protector or maybe Captain Jack Sparrow wouldn't be missing all of his rum. You're like, why is the rum gone? Anyway, that's a pirate's.
Or tequila or
whatever
you
a lot of times a great souvenir to bring home, a conversation piece, is to get a bottle of the local liquor if you're a drinker. Don't get it if you don't drink. The nice thing is it's like super heavy duty bubble wrap. It's got double, I don't know if you can really see it here. It's got double like Ziploc protectors, and then it's got a Velcro, so you fold it over, and if you put your bottle in there, if the bottle happens to get broken in your luggage for some reason,
which has happened.
It actually did happen. The lid on one of them got messed up, and it got a little glass chip, but the nice thing about it was, of all the times we've done it, it didn't get all over our stuff, didn't spill out. We didn't have a mess when we got home.
Nothing.
So it worked out really, really well. Hey, we'd really appreciate it if you'd like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out as we try to provide great content for you. And if you're looking to book a cruise or any other type of vacation, please check us out at sandysuntravel.com, or you can contact us at the contacts that are right here. Also, if you're feeling lucky, go over to sandysuntravel.com, our website, scroll down the page, and on the lower right-hand side, there is a spot where you can enter to win a free vacation. So good luck.
All right, well, I'm a plus-size traveler. I have curves, and not all airplane seatbelts fit like every other one, so I have gotten my own seatbelt extenders. I have them for Southwest, and then I have them for all the other airlines because they're two different styles. And if you don't have the right one for the right one, then it's not going to fit.
Yeah, I mean, they have them on board that you can ask for, but it's just nicer to be able to grab your own.
Yeah, and we flew once years ago, and they didn't have any extra. So I'm not going to, I need a seatbelt too.
Yeah, for sure. So next, we're going to talk about lanyards. We always suggest you get a lanyard. I like this one because it has a little handy little clip that you can unclip, because so many of the cruise lines still use your ship card as a key. They have a little credit card, key card, whatever, sign and sale card, C-Pass, whatever it might be. So you can take that with you around the ship, wear it around your neck, and it's just super handy to have.
I have a bling one.
She has, yeah, she's got a really shiny, there's all kinds of them out there. You can do a quick search and you'll find them. You stick it in your pocket. A lot of times you might lose it, or worse yet, leave it in your cabin. But if it's hanging around your neck, it's with you the whole time. So, yeah, we like the lanyards.
We like to have at least 1 or 2 hats with us. And, I especially like them on port days when we're getting off the boat, because I can throw my hair up in a ponytail. And I got this one because it has the ponytail holder, or opening for your ponytail to go through.
I like this one because I'm really active.
And then I also have one that I stole from Ron like that. If it's raining, I like to wear the other one. It's just better protection, for
Sure.
the head. And then Ron's got his
And it keeps the sun off of my head.
Yeah. This is his favorite one.
It's something that you should definitely remember if you're, follically endowed like me. That sun will get you, so.
Wouldn't it be I can't even talk. Follically unendowed, because
I don't know. I thought endowed was like a gift. So this is a gift.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Also, something else when you're in the hot sun, or if you're on a cruise and you're enjoying some of the adult beverages on board, we always recommend, we get they're called drip drops. I think there's liquid IV. There's probably 1,000 different ones, but I love these. These actually say to mix them with 8 ounces of water, and water bottles 16, but we just mix it in with a full bottle. Grape is our favorite, but pay attention if you order them off of Amazon, which, by the way, we're going to put links to most of this stuff down in the description below, so you can check that out. It sends you to our Amazon store or to our Amazon links or whatever. We get a little something from it, but it helps us make more content. But these taste great. The grape is our favorite. And like I was saying, be careful when you click on it, because I accidentally ordered a mixed pack, and
some of them we don't like.
Yeah, we don't like them as much, but the grape
we'll
is great.
We'll drink them, but we don't like them as much. Now we have towel clips.
All right.
These are awesome for, the lounge chairs, like when you're out by the pool and stuff. You can clip
or on your balcony.
Towel. Yep, or your balcony. And then, if I can open it, my goodness, could this be any harder? We also have, these are towel bands. Now, there's all different kinds of clips. You can get some that have flamingos on them, flip-flops, whatever. All different kinds of bands, too. They get thicker ones, thinner ones.
I think I like these the best because they're so small.
No space.
Yes. Yeah, they take like no space.
And they're super stretchy. And this whole thing came, there's like 20 of them in here. And they...
Yeah, and you only need, 2 or 3 of them on a cruise, but yeah, they're super handy. All right, so, magnets. I don't know that I need to say a whole lot about them other than the walls are metal and these are magnets, and so they'll stick right to the wall. The great thing about it is they're...
And the doors.
Oh, God. They're hard to get apart. But the nice thing is, like, if you have your tickets for your excursions, you have the daily, what's going on the ship, you can, again, they're not easy to take apart. You can stick it to the wall. You can hang purses from them, hats.
We always hang from them.
What's really nice is we have this portable USB fan that will hang on the wall right by the bed and to blow on us at night. And we use like 3 of these magnets and it stays there. It's the first time I did it, I was like, this is going to fall on us. And it didn't.
No, I think the first time we did it, we only used 2 and it kind of slid down.
It did, it did.
But it didn't fall.
No. But anyway, the magnets are fantastic. They're not very expensive. They have different, I'll say weight qualities.
Yeah.
And so just pick a couple and grab them. So that's it for today. This is not everything that we've ever gotten for our cruises, but we thought this would be a quick, fun, hopefully it'll help you, and it reminds us of some of the stuff we got to throw in our suitcase. So, hey, if you're going on Margaritaville at Sea here in a week or so, maybe we'll see you.
Yeah.
So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.